Hi sewing friends, hi YouTube. It's been so long. Well, I'm here today to give you guys a vintage pattern haul. And actually, this is not all of the patterns that I have. I actually have more patterns here and in my bag, but I just wanted to show you all just a sneak peek of all of the patterns that I did get from my Sewing Grandma, which is a sewing studio that I have shown you all before. Link somewhere down below if you haven't seen it. I just want to show you some of the cool patterns that I picked up. They're all vintage and I think you guys will like it. So if you're interested, keep watching this video. I have a lot of energy today and I'm here for it, and I'm here for this video, so I hope you guys enjoy. I want to first start off with showing you all this many patterns, and all of these patterns are ironically all Vogue, and even better, they're all, well, some of them are very easy Vogue, which is great too. This one is so cute. I feel like this is like a cute little cocktail dress, like a little I'm going out. This is like a work event dress. This is just like if you want to wear, you can dress this dress up, you can dress it down. I think it's cute. I'm here for it. And this is Vogue 8494. Hey. And it's so cute. And this is actually in a size 12, and that fits. It's actually my perfect size. I think like I range from like a size 10 to 12 on some patterns, especially Vogue patterns, but this is definitely something that I could see myself easily making for, I don't have any occasion yet to make this dress, but like when I do, I'm definitely making this. I also have this little jacket that I'm liking. I actually like a lot this whole pattern. This is Vogue 8031, and I picked up this pattern because of the back. Because of the jacket. I think the jacket is cute, it's different, but it's fashion, and I'm here for the fashion. I think it's nice. I also like the dress. I think it's a very simple dress. From the back, it seems as if there is, I think there's just like 3 pieces to this dress and like some darts, and like you pretty much have a dress, which is great because it seems like a very easy sew. Although it doesn't say very easy Vogue, it seems like a very easy sewing pattern, and I'm here for it. I'm very much here for this. I also have this one, and I am a pussy bow lover, and this one just encompasses pussy bows and everything Khira, and actually everything Khira that you haven't seen before, but I do like the pussy bow. I think the pussy bow is very cute, and I'm just here for it. I love how this is a dress and how simple it is. This is kind of like work, even though I don't really dress up to work. This is another cute outfit that I could wear if I really wanted to, or just if I want to be cute for a day, I can easily just wear this as well and make this to wear it as well. I am here for this pattern as well, and this is just the top. It's just a top, and it is the Vogue as well, 9355, and it's just cute. I'm just here for the buttons. I'm here for everything about this. That's why I'm showing it to you. I love the collar. I just like it. I think that it's very cute and very flirty and very different from what we see. Most of the times nowadays we just see the traditional buttons. So I kind of like how it's like double-breasted buttons, and I like it. So if you keep watching, you'll probably see me make this, or keep following me, you'll probably see me making this sooner than later. Again, this is another very simple pussy bow pattern, but this pattern comes with a skirt and also pants, or skirt and also pants, and it's nice. Again, it's pussy bow, that's why I picked it up. I really like the shoulder action. I like the gathering on the shoulders. I think it's cute, and I think that it will look very nice on me. This is another cute one too, and this is the Vogue 9619, and this one is just very cute because it's different. The only thing I don't like about this pattern is the pockets in the booty. I'm actually probably one of the only sewists who actually doesn't like pockets, or one of the only people in the world who doesn't really care for pockets. I don't use pockets that much. I would rather just bring a purse and put my stuff in the purse. But anyways, this one is very cute. I just really like the sweetheart neckline here. I really like the back, how there's a little bit of like a flirty aspect to it, and then I do like the back in general as well, minus the pockets. This one is another one. I picked this one up because the back detail is just very different. The front, as you can see, is a very simple front, but the back has a little bit of action, is like flirty action, and then also has buttons in the back, like different. And I'm here for this. I want to make this. I'm excited to make this. I think it's something that I can even squeeze in for fall if I don't have time to make it this summer. But it's cute. And again, this is the Vogue 9515. This one is just a very simple, very easy Vogue, and it's just a cute little summer top dress that you can wear. I think you can even break up the pattern a little bit and make it a top, or you can make it just a skirt or a full dress if you'd like to. It comes with the option of having straps or no straps. And I just like it. I think also depending on the fabric that you make this with, you can have it as like a beach cover up. You can wear it as something more formal if you'd like to, or just something more casual wear as well. And the last one that I have to show you guys is actually one of my favorites. I really like it. It kind of gives me gardening vibes, but I'm here for the gardening vibes. One of the reasons why I like it is just because, again, this one comes with the back buttons in the back, and that's something different, but I really like it. And I also just love how much back is showing, because why not show back? And do I like the pockets? I would, if I sewed this, I would definitely make the pockets. I think the pockets add to the dress in general. So yeah, I would definitely make the pockets for this. And this is Vogue 8935. And that is about it for my patterns. And like I said, I have a bunch more here. I think this is backward, but I have a bunch more here and in my bag that I am not going to show you all. But if you would like to continue to see my makes and like the items that I haven't shown you all, I have exciting news for you guys. I am actually creating an Etsy account. On this Etsy account, you can shop some of the patterns that I showed you all, such as this pretty Vogue cocktail dress, or this another pretty gardening inspired dress that I talked about as well. And you could also shop the ones that you haven't seen here. And I'm just excited because I get a lot of free patterns, and I want to share my free patterns with you all. It's going to be very inexpensive, probably less than $10 each. So definitely check out and shop my Etsy store, and I will catch you all on the next video. See ya!